Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Screencast O Matic, which is one of the most useful tools you can have in your remote learning arsenal. So we'll get started simply by browsing to the Screencast O Matic website. And you can type in Screencast, and then often it pops right up right here, Screencast O Matic. And you can see there's an ad that pops right up with it, and you can see it's screencastomatic.com. So when we get to this page, we're just going to use the Sign Up It's Free button up here in the right-hand corner. And I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google because I have a Google account. You can also sign up using your Cape Cod Community College email, or any other email that you'd like to use for that matter. And let's see. Okay, and then it asks me to create a Screencast O Matic account, and I'm just going to click that I agree to the terms of service. And I get right here to this home page. So this is all that it takes to set up an account, and in the next video I'll show you how to begin recording.